Hello guys. So today's video, let's see how. Oh. Hello guys. For today's video, we going to download Minecraft. Actually, Minecraft. Normal Minecraft. Actually, see this mods, but this green mod. I have to 5 minutes. Wait. He's going down. But this time, we going to download Minecraft. Yes, we downloaded. But actually, there's not the start. The Play Store is cheap. That's his happy one. Okay, that's a no. 3. Okay. This is recording to stop. Wait, what? Recording to stop? Why? You guys back. So this is not working, but we need a string. Let's connecting. Okay. Let's go to game. So do you see that? Yes. So you can assist them the Minecraft. So the Minecraft mod play. So we go to the here the screen and kid. Actually, this Minecraft is so crazy. I cannot that build. Look that connect to the quick thread. So I don't think, but let's see. So how to download the Minecraft? First you need Happy Mod in Google. Search Google. And Google guys. Google. But that's thing. So this is just alone, but it's okay like this. Type shopping mode here. Then you see download here. Then open the shopping mode. Look, there's a Minecraft here. And this Minecraft you need to install. But there's no manage here. Look, it's not down. So you try this mod. So guys, you had unlock the Minecraft save. Okay, you unlock save Minecraft. So you need Wi-Fi here. So good luck. Good luck. Bye.